Microswitches may be small, but they can play a huge role in everyday devices, from medical tools to appliances and industrial machines. Hi, my name is Hayden from Linemaster. Let's get switched. So, what actually happens inside a microswitch? There's three key parts. The actuator, that's the part you press or trigger. The internal contacts, these open or close the circuits. And the spring, which gives the microswitch their signature snap. When the actuator is pressed, even just slightly, the spring gets to work. It builds up energy and then snaps the contacts into a new position. That sharp click you hear, that's the switch doing exactly what it's designed to do, instantly. Most microswitches have three terminals: common, normally closed, and normally open. Depending on how it's wired, pressing the switch either opens or closes the circuit. Release it, and the contacts snap back, ready for the next cycle. A couple real-world examples you may run into, things like a microwave door, a footswitch, medical equipment, light switches, a bunch of other locations. You'll find microswitches in all kinds of places. In the microwaves, they detect the door is fully closed. In lab equipment, they help tools respond only when activated. Reliable, responsive, and built to last. That's what makes a microswitch so essential. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Hayden from Linemaster. Let's get switched.